Dear Carly Puppy, because you're a little puppy. Dear Carly Puppy, I am very happy that I could play with you and pet your sweet puppy girl. I hope I can come back soon and play some more. You can come visit me someday too. And our pet puppy. Love you lots. Great Aunt Kathy. You want to say something to Aunt Kathy? You want to say something in there? What do you want to say?
I love ponies.
I love ponies? That's very nice. You say thank you for the note?
Thank you for the note.
You say I love you, Aunt Kathy?
I love you, Aunt Kathy.
Yeah, give her puppy kisses. Was that you that just burped? Puppy kisses. Oh, yucky, not the... Very nice.
Touch it. Done.
No, don't lick my phone. That's yucky, yucky. Okay, Cody.
Kiss it.
Now it's Cody's puppy. Go put your shirt on.
It's wet.
Well, then put a new one on.
Hey,